So I've been drawing ever since I started this channel, mostly anime, and I loved it. That style taught me everything, how to build characters, capture expressions, draw with confidence. But lately, I have been feeling something shift. I don't just want to draw what I see. I want to draw what I feel. I want to create something more original, more personal. Recently, I tried gouache for the first time, and honestly, I think I've fallen in love with it. The way it moves, the texture, the richness, it just clicked. So I got myself a new watercolor sketchbook. This sketchbook is going to be the beginning of something new. A series of cinematic paintings, each one inspired by my own footage, by the films and shows that move me, and by the moments I have captured over the years without realizing they meant something. But when I sat down to start, nothing came to mind. So I did what I always do when I'm stuck. Scrolled through my photo and video gallery, looking for something. And then I saw it. A photo of the sky. That's when I remembered. As a kid, I was obsessed with watching clouds. They always felt like moving stories, like a quiet movie playing just for me. So that's where I decided to begin. A still moment that says more than words. This will be my first painting in this new sketchbook. It might not be the most flattering piece I have ever made, but it's what I had in my mind. And sometimes that's enough to just begin, to capture a feeling without overthinking it. Because this sketchbook isn't about perfection. It's about exploration, emotion, story. When I say I want to make cinematic paintings, I don't mean dramatic angles or complex compositions. To me, something becomes cinematic when it tells a story, when it holds a feeling you can't quite explain, but you feel it anyway. That's what I'm chasing in this series. Moments that linger, moments that speak. And this is just the beginning.